Good day, class.
Good day, sir.
So today we're going to be treating parts of speech. What did I say?
Parts of speech.
Who can tell me how many parts of speech do we have?
9.
Continue.
Good. Clap for him. And who can list the 9 parts of speech that we have? Emmanuel.
Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection.
Continue.
Articles.
Good. Clap for him. So today we're going to be treating now. Now, what is a noun? Winnie.
A noun is the name of person, animal, place, or thing. Example, Winnie.
Good. Clap for her. Wow, Winnie, I'm impressed with you.
Thank you, sir.
Good. So, a noun is the name of a person. Animal, place, or thing. So, in short, a noun is the name of anything. Anything you can think of, that's a noun. In as much as it's a name. And you, hey you, what's a noun? Stand up.
I don't understand.
She what?
I don't understand. No, tell me, why will you understand? Why will you understand when they are teaching with your coconut head? You will just be there playing.
Child.
I said a noun is the name of a person, animal, place, or thing. What is a noun?
Will you keep quiet?
So the meaning of a noun is Winnie. Winnie is not a noun.
He
Winnie
shot
is an
you.
example of a noun. You get that right. But a noun is a name of anything. Anything at all you can think of. Give me another example of a noun.
Winnie.
Child.
It's only Winnie you know. Lagos State is a noun. This house is a noun. This board is a noun. My friend, sit down, Joe.
You're
playing up and down every day. You can't play, but every day you play ball. You don't read your book. If you come here next time and you say tell me this kind of rubbish, I will flog your head. Assignment. You guys are going to tell me the meaning of pronoun. Pronoun. Do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Till I come back tomorrow and tell me that a pronoun is the name of a person, animal, place, or thing, I will wipe your head.
Yes, sir.